In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade futures contracts on Tradovate charts. We'll move from a blank chart to placing and managing trades directly on the screen, so you can execute with confidence. Remember, futures are leveraged products, so trade responsibly and consider practicing in a simulation account before going live. First, set up your chart. Open a new chart tab and type in the futures contract symbol you want to trade. For example, MESM4 is the Micro E-mini S&P 500 for the June contract month. If you're new to symbols, the letters typically refer to the contract month and year. Once the symbol loads, choose a time frame that matches your approach. Intraday traders often prefer 1 to 5 minute charts. Swing traders may use hourly or daily. You zoom and scale the view, so the current price action is centered and easy to read. Next, enable trade mode so you can place orders directly from the chart. Click the gear icon on the chart module to open settings, then toggle on trade mode. You'll know it's active when you see trading controls and can interact with price levels. If you don't see the option, make sure you're in the chart settings for the correct panel. Now place your orders. To set a limit or stop order, click directly on the chart at the price level where you want to buy or sell. The platform will place the appropriate order type based on whether your click is above or below current price and the side you choose. If you need immediate execution, use the buy market or sell market buttons. Keep in mind that market orders fill at the best available price and can experience slippage during fast moves, so use them thoughtfully. After you're in a trade, the platform will display stop loss and profit target lines on the chart. Manage your position visually by clicking and dragging these lines to the exact levels you want. As you drag, you'll see updated price and risk information. Release the mouse to send the modification. This makes it easy to tighten risk after a breakout or widen a target if the trend extends without leaving the chart. Finally, streamline your risk management with bracket orders. In the chart settings, configure automatic brackets so that a stop loss and take profit are attached to every new entry. Set your preferred offsets. For example, a specific number of ticks for the stop and target, and the platform will place both instantly when you enter. These orders are typically linked as OCO, meaning if one fills, the other cancels, keeping your position tidy. That's the full workflow. Set up the chart, enable trade mode, place your orders, manage them visually, and use brackets to automate risk control. Practice this flow until it feels second nature.